Hey man, you're really cool back there. Well, I'm Hari. That was my mother back there.
Yeah, hi, I'm Rajiv.
It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm already a great fan of yours. Fantastic the way you handle my mother and then the salesman right over here. How do you do that? It's fantastic. How do you have so much tolerance? I mean, I'm always hauled up for shooting my mouth off. I was totally impressed by you. Are you by nature so cool-headed or is it experience, you know?
You cannot suddenly quote conditions like this. We had an agreement.
சும்மா கத்தினா எப்படி கொஞ்சம் பொறுமையா இருங்க.
How can there be 5 weeks? You can't have production that way. What nonsense is this?
Unless you accept their demands, you cannot carry on with the business. You may have studied abroad, but all your theories you throw out. You need to do proper economic planning. You have to understand our country people, sell of the business. Why do you want to break your head? Don't waste your time here.
Never give up. Never. If you lose again, you try again. You will win. Rajiv, the failed one is the person who gave up without trying his utmost. The one who succeeds is the one who did not give up. அருமை உடைத்தன் ரசாவாமை வேண்டும் பெருமை முயற்சி தரும். Thiruvalluvar says in his Kural, don't feel frustrated, saying it is difficult. If you try hard enough, you will get the reward due to your effort.
Come.
Laugh away all your troubles. That's the only easiest way to conquer them. As Valluvar has said, இடுக்கண் வருங்கால் நகுக அதனை அடுத்தூர்வது அது ஒப்பது இல். Come.
Hey! What's it? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with
நான்
you?
சொல்றேன்ல.
விடுப்பா.
தெரியாம மிஸ்டேக் சொல்றேன்ல. போடா.
Come. ஞாலம் கருதினும் கைகூடும் காலம் கருதி இடத்தால் செய்யின். Choose the proper time, the proper place, the proper action, and you can win the world with ease. You have to understand people, how they think, how they act. Then you can use your discretion and do the right thing.
Valluvar?
My professor expects me to read all of these and write a report. I really wonder why he has to pick on me. Why can't he select somebody else for a change?
As Thiruvalluvar says, அறனறிந்து மூத்த அறிவுடையார் கெண்மை திறனறிந்து தேர்ந்து கொள்ளல், which is to say that if you are intelligent enough, you will gain the friendship of men of virtue and maturity, because that way you stand to gain virtue and maturity for your own good.
Secret of my patience and tolerance. Not bad at all. I like your enthusiasm. Restless, just the way I used to be. Thiruvalluvar,
Excuse me?
my teacher.
Thiruvalluvar? With that beard, right? Ah, that's a palm leaf, right?
Yes, you could say that. He's the great Tamil poet. They have now built a 133-foot statue of him at Kanyakumari. Even the tsunami didn't do anything to it.
But he's dead and gone.
Yes, he is, but he's written a great lesson of life in his Thirukural. And that's alive even today.
Tirukkural. Oh, I remember reading that in school. It's even in the movies.
அன்பிலார் எல்லாம் தமக்குரியர் அன்புடையார்.
ஓ, உங்களுக்கு ஒரே பாஷை வேற தெரியுமா?
இது என்ன சார் அநியாயமா இருக்கு? Tamil sir, Mr. Tiruvalluvar, white beard, Mylapore man near Sanskrit College, statue sitting.
Listen, அறுக்காதீங்க.
Have you seen Boys? Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
No, I don't think they got the words right, and for that matter, they did not get the meaning right either.
I don't get it. What does this Tirukural have to do with your business, your patience, tolerance, no, whatever?
Have you read the Tirukural?
Yeah, sort of. If I remember right, these Tirukurals are two-line couplets, right? Katra, Karka, Kasadara, Karpave, Katrapin. I remember that one.
2 lines, 7 meters, 1,330 poems in 133 chapters of 10 couplets in each chapter. And each poem is a treasure of wisdom on the art of living in this world.
What is it with the Tirukural anyways?
What is it about this Kural anyway? You know, it's actually from these Tirukurals that I've learnt a whole lot of things.
What things?
Patience, methods of speaking, management principles.
Management strategies from Muganaga type of things.
Yeah. Something like that.
என்னென்ப ஏனை எழுத்தென்ப
என்னென்ப ஏனை எழு
இவ்விரண்டும் கண்ணென்ப வாழும் உயிருக்கு
கண்ணென்ப வாழும் உயிர்
என்னென்ப ஏனை எழுத்தென்ப இவ்விரண்டென்ப கண்ணென்ப வாழும் உயிருக்கு. நீ போய் ஒரு பெரிய ஜக்கில் ஜில்லுன்னு தண்ணி எடுத்துன்னு வாப்போ.
சரி.
அஜு, sit here. Did you go to the bank? Did you get the business loan? What did the bank manager say? If you have completed your course in the UK, it would probably have given you a better standing. அரங்கின்று வட்ட ஆடியற்றே நிரம்பிய நூலென்று கோட்டிக் குழல். And Tiruvalluvar says, to speak in an assembly of the learned without fullness of knowledge is like playing a chess without the squares.
Come on, Tata. This Tirukural. Why do you keep quoting it all the time? I don't understand. What is it about this Kural anyway?
Take all the knowledge of life together and divide it into 3 segments. Under each of those, list out 50 or so subjects, and on each of those subjects, write 10 relevant couplets in such a way that their inherent wisdom is true today and remains so 2000 years hence. And that is the Tirukural for you.
And that's the Tirukural for you. Okay, let me explain. The other day when you and your mother came shopping, remember? When I saw the commotion happening, I could have done many things. In fact, for a moment I was tempted to burst out and yell at the salesman and even perhaps your mother for disrupting the other customers. But, this grandfather of mine, he haunts me even after he's gone.
இனிய உளவாக இன்னாத கூறல் கனி இருப்ப காய் கவர்ந்ததற்று.
So you succeeded in controlling your anger?
Not exactly. I think I succeeded in dissolving my anger. I saw there was no sense in getting angry. In fact, when I look back now, I think it made perfect business sense not to get angry.
வாணிகம் செய்வார்க்கு வாணிகம் பேணி பிறவும் தமபோல் செய்யின்.
For a moment, I put myself in your mother's shoes and even my salesman's shoes. And I think that's what decided what my future reactions and behavior would be.
So you have a problem with your temper, which you managed to control with the kural or something. Although my mother probably deserved a piece of your mind.
Excuse me, sir.
But I don't have your problem. I'm a cool guy. Although my mother thinks I sleep too much, I'm lazy, forgetful, blah, blah,
Like the
blah,
saying,
blah. I don't see why I can't be myself. Perhaps a bit lazy, but why can't I be myself? Does the Kural have something to say about that?
நெடுநீர் மறவி மடித்துயில் நான்கும் கெடுநீரார் காம கலம்.
Procrastination, idleness, forgetfulness, and sleep. These are the cornerstones of destruction.
Ouch. Smart, this Thiruvalluvar. Knows how to inspire people like you, doesn't he?
For thousands of years, the Tirukural has inspired a lot of people. Mahatma Gandhi, Abdul Kalam. Have you heard of Subramaniam Bharati, the great Tamil poet? He said,
வள்ளுவன் தன்னை உலகினுக்கே தந்து வான்புகழ் கொண்ட தமிழ்நாடு.
which means it's Thiruvalluvar's Tirukural that has put Tamil Nadu on the international map.
Tamil is my mother tongue, but I speak more English at home. I can read local Tamil magazines, but catch me reading and understanding the Thirukural. The words are also joined in funny ways,
Well, the Tirukural is also available in English if you want to read it. In fact, I think, barring the Bible and the Quran is the most translated work. The Tirukural is the only Tamil book to have been translated in the maximum number of languages, 90.
So the Kural is also some writing like the Quran or Bible, some religious stuff?
Absolutely not. What makes the Tirukural so special is that it is a completely secular piece of work with no religious orientation whatsoever. In fact, the Tirukural transcends barriers of race, creed, time, and place. It is a completely universal and cosmopolitan approach to life. It just lays down basic principles of the material and then the moral approach to human life. And it is a treasure house of worldly knowledge, ethical guidance, and spiritual wisdom. And of course, the poetic excellence of the Tirukural is simply outstanding. For example, what he said about virtue.
மனத்துக்கண் மாசிலன் ஆதல் அனைத்து அரண் ஆகுல நீரபிற.
Virtue demands purity of mind. All else is vanity.
Oh God, lecture outside class. Yo, what did I get myself into? But hey, wait a minute. I've got an idea. Mr. Rajiv, can I bring a friend to meet you? She will like to hear what you have to say.
Sure. I mean, I would always be happy to meet anyone who is interested in the Tirukural or Thiruvalluvar.
Hi.
I was just leaving. You are so late. You know how much I want to go to this Tamil Sangam. I just finished fighting with my mom because she wanted to take me shopping instead. And I don't know why you insisted on coming anyway. You don't even like Tamil classical literature. You should be ashamed to call yourself Tamil.
Okay, don't go ballistic. Here, I brought this for you.
Whoa, where did you get this? Something's not right here. How did you even think of it? What's going on?
Not a word of appreciation. Typical girl.
You don't even know the of Agara Mudala. Tell me the truth now.
Okay. Look, I met this guy.
You know the story of Hari's mother at your shop reminds me of a legend associated with Thiruvalluvar. He was a weaver on the banks of the river Kaveri in Pumbuhar, and in the same town where he lived, there was a very rich man with a very, very naughty son. One day, that boy came up to his shop and picked up a piece of cloth and asked Valluvar what the price was. He replied 4 rupees, the price in those days. And then this boy tears that cloth into half and asks what's the price of the torn piece. Valluvar says 2 rupees. He tears it again in half and asks the price of the torn piece. He says 1 rupee. The boy is so surprised. How come you didn't get angry with me? He asks. And then Thiruvalluvar replies, tolerance and patience are the most important virtues in anybody's life.
Can you imagine that boy doing what he did in Rajiv's shop? Do you think Rajiv will just stand there and gape like a jackass?
Well, Hari, actually it's this very story that inspired me to practice self-control.
Exactly. Self-control is so important. As Thiruvalluvar says, Ya kavara yunum na kaka, kavakal sogapar solirikapattu. But Hari is more like this one, which goes, நயனிலை என்பது சொல்லும் பயனில்ல பாரித்து உரைக்கும் உரை.
Just because you know some Tirukural funda doesn't mean you can go around bullying me. Rajiv, I tell you, women these days.
Okay, Hari, look at it this way.
நகுதர் பொருட்டன்று நட்டல் மிகுதிக்கண் மேற்சின்றெடித்தர் பொருட்டு.
That means that Jyoti is actually a good friend.
Tirukural number 784. Way to go, Rajiv.
Hey, this is not fair. You're both attacking an unarmed man. So this Tiruvalluvar, he was a weaver, not a poet?
Legend has it that he was born into a family of weavers. But I believe that he knew astrology and Vanasastram also. That is meteorology. Valluvan also means Vallavan, which is good at everything. Some sort of a title.
In my readings of Tiruvalluvar, I found that he was a saint by the name of Kundakunda, who was a leader of a Jain Sangam at his time. The only book Kundakunda wrote in Tamil is said to be the Tirukural.
You know a lot about Jains. Planning to become a monk or what?
Hari.
No, I think he was an agriculturist. You know what he said?
உழுவார் உலகத்தார்க்கு ஆணி அஃது ஆற்றாது எழுவாரை எல்லாம் பொறுத்து.
But he said a whole lot about kings and royalty. வான் நோக்கி வாழும் உலகெல்லாம் மன்னவன் கோல் நோக்கி வாழும் குடி. Does that make him a king? But there is one theory, however, which says that he worked in the cabinet of the Raja of Tondenad, and that's where he learned the nuances of governance that he wrote in the Tirukural.
He has written so much about human behavior.
உலகத்தோடு ஒட்ட ஒழுகல் பலகற்றும் கல்லார் அறிவில்லாதார்.
So, does that make him a psychologist?
Maybe there are some recipes in the Tirukural. Maybe he was a cook.
Hari, the point is, he was a simple tribal man with an unsophisticated look. And he wrote poems in Tamil at a time when Sanskrit was more common. So his poems were not accepted by the kings and the patrons of the time.
The reason the Tirukural was first rejected by all kings was because it was Jainist, and they were trying to suppress the spread of Jain religion.
Okay, Jyoti, if Valluvar was a Jain monk, then how could he have written about marriage?
அறத்தாற்றின் இல்வாழ்க்கை ஆற்றின் புறத்தாற்றின் போய் பெறுவது எவன்?
And you know very well that he was married to Vasuki, the daughter of Margasagayan.
He has also said so much about Virindombal. In this one, Selvirindombi Varuvirindu Parthirippan Nalvirindu Vanathavarku. Virindombal refers to the practice in those days of feeding Jain monks who came with their bowls to every house for food. The Jain caves in Valimalai in the Vellore district are supposed to have Tamil writings of the Tirukural inscribed on their walls.
Virindombal is good. Feeding people is great. Did he say that you would get punya if you feed others? Mr. Rajiv, go ahead. Get punya. Feed me.
Hari, do you know what Tiruvalluvar has said?
அற்றது அறிந்து கடைப்பிடித்து மாறு அல்ல தொய்க்கத் துவர பசித்து.
Which means, understand your digestive process. Eat right and eat on time.
Well, I'm sure Mr. Tiruvalluvar has never eaten a cheese pizza in his life. Because if he had, he would have included at least 2 lines about it in the Kural.
Hari, had he known you, he just might have done that. Jyoti, you were talking about those caves at Vellore. But have you seen Tiruvalluvar's temple right here at Mylapore?
Here? In Chennai?
What is this? Tiruvalluvar has suddenly become God?
One second.
Hari, at least behave yourself and be
What did I
polite,
do?
okay?
Yeah.
I had to fall asleep. I couldn't help
Tell
it.
me.
I mean,
He's talking
he's
serious
just going on.
stuff.
What?
Tiruvalluvar.
I know, but he's going on and on and on. Just listen to
Oh,
him.
right, fine. Okay, I'll
Act
come
like
there.
you're interested.
No,
Not
don't get
seriously, he's
self-righteous on
talking
me.
to you.
What is this?
It was very bad, you know.
Sorry
come
guys,
on.
I gotta go. Some problem at work. Maybe we should see the temple soon, if you guys are game.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Come on, Joe. Do we have to go to these temples?
Hari, you know this is part of my project on ancient wisdom, and you know how much I love doing it.
Can't you do your projects later?
வினைப்பகை என்று இரண்டின் எச்சம் நினையும் கால் தீ எச்சம் போல தெரும்.
All this Tiruvalluvar and all is fine. But I think you and I should be going to parties, yaar.
பொருள் கருவி காலம் வினை இடனோடு ஐந்தும் இருள் தீர எண்ணிச் செயல். Are you earning the money you spend so easily on parties and discourse?
Oh, come on, Joe. Hasn't he said anything at all about having fun?
Fun? What is fun to you, Hari? Cutting college, going to movies, drinking beer and gossiping about girls and cars, just aimlessly partying? My parents did the same thing. They ended up in jobs that they hated, leading such stressful lives full of problems they could never solve, and they ended up getting divorced. I was shattered. But my Tamil teacher gave me hope. She introduced the Tirukural to me, At that point in my life, I needed that guidance, and he gave it to me. 2500 years ago, Tiruvallur sat down and wrote what he observed of the people. He understood their problems and wrote this code of the art of living by which they could live their lives harmoniously. That was the turning point in my life. The Kurals gave me the wisdom I needed to deal with my situation. And all those Kurals have a value even today, in today's modern world. It showed me how to live my life.
So this Tirukural, which was written over 2500 years ago, is more important to you than friends?
Friends, we think we have friends. But who is there when you want some real answers to problems? I can't have a decent conversation with you about things that mean so much to me, deeper. You're so shallow.
Hari, you seem rather quiet today. Is everything okay?
தீயினால் சுட்ட புண் உள்ளாரும் ஆறாதே நாவினால் சுட்டவடு. Even I know some Tirukurals.
Aha, so Valluvar is already influencing you. Good. Then you'd like to hear about the story of the famous well in the temple. Vasuki was an ideal, chaste and devoted housewife. Such was her devotion to Valluvar that once when he called her, she was at the well filling water. When she heard his voice, she just dropped the rope and ran towards him. And the rope hung suspended in air with the pot. So for that, there's the famous Valluvar Kural.
தெய்வம் தொழாள் கொழுநம் தொழுதெழுவாள் பெய்யென பெய்யும் மழை.
Aha, there. Now that is something Tiruvallur has said correctly. He knew where to keep his women.
Rubbish. In fact, Rajiv, that's one area where I do not agree with Tiruvallur. Wives should be obedient and subservient? Yeah, right.
Aha, this Mr. Tiruvallur is not faultless after all.
Yeah, well, maybe, but just think maybe what he wrote was according to the culture of the times. Patriarchal. And it's all a matter of interpretation. Maybe what he's trying to say is that there should be a harmonious relationship between a husband and wife. And so what if it's not agreeable? Take what you agree with, leave the rest. Valluvar has been accepted as a great guru because the Kural contains the entire gamut of life within it.
The 133 chapters of his work have been depicted in bas relief in the chariot. The 38 chapters on the principles and moral values of life, the 70 chapters on the socio-economic values of life, and the last 25 chapters on the nature of love, depicting the psychological values of life. Aram, Porul, Inbam. He talks about wealth, virtue, and love, and that's what the main aspects of anybody's life is about.
Yes, that's true.
I wish people read all the chapters. They seem to have forgotten the last 25.
You mean on love? Well, Hari, I think those are the chapters most read. In fact, I think there's no other poet who's a patch on Tiruvallur. Do you remember this one, Jyoti?
இருநோக்கு இவளுண்கண் உள்ளது ஒரு நோக்கு நோய் நோக்கு ஒன்று அந்நோய் மருந்து.
You know, Valluvar wrote the Kural at a time when caste issues were a major problem in society. And his writings were a response to that. His was a universal code of ethics where he speaks of not just human beings but of all living creatures. And the best part is, he speaks with no bias whatsoever. His writings were unique in the sense that he was against all divisions in humanity.
But he seems to have caused some divisions in humanity here.
Hari seems to be off color today. Something wrong?
Well, I just feel bad that society hasn't changed in all this time. Problems keep repeating themselves. Tiruvallur probably knew that, that people would remain the same then or even 2500 years later. That is why his Tirukurals are probably relevant even today. So, what do you mean closing the business? It can't be that bad.
Well, I can't say right now. I have to assess the situation tomorrow and only then can I come to a decision.
What is the problem?
You see, my accountant misappropriated a lot of funds. Clothes were sold at a higher value and customers complained and investigations are on. Now I need some answers. If I can get some answers, I can work things out. But if I can't, then there's hell to pay.
How did you not know your accountant was the culprit?
Because I was wrong in my judgment of people.
இளையதாக முள்மரம் கொல்க களையுனர் கைகொல்லும் காழ்த்த இடத்து.
நாள்தோறும் நாடுக மன்னன் வினை செய்வான் கோடாமை கோடாது உலகு. The buck stops with you.
Unfortunately, I trusted his smooth talk.
எப்பொருள் யார் யார் வாய் கேட்பினும் அப்பொருள் மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பதறிவு.
Look, I may not know all this Tirukural and stuff, but I know finance. My project was on fraudulence in corporate affairs. I know every loophole in business and how to plug them. I can find out what went wrong with your business. Trust me, things may not be as bad as they seem. There seems to be a pattern at work here. There's a discrepancy in the tally. Look, there's an increase in the number of customers to your shop, but there is no corresponding increase in the sales. Wait a minute, look, every Sunday, he's been consistently siphoning off funds from your cash, your petty cash. Must have someone on the inside.
How did I miss all this? I haven't been paying attention. Tell me, how did you figure it out?
The trick is to look for a pattern. There's always a pattern. Even serial killers have a pattern. Look here, the culprit seems to come alive every 7 days. There's a pattern of 7 here.
You know, there is a pattern of 7, even in the Tirukural.
What do you mean?
I haven't seen that. Where is it?
It's on the net. I can show you.
Yeah, be my guest.
The number 133 is a very sacred number as far as the Kural is concerned. The 4+3 pattern is reflected in many important places of the couplet. If you notice, the first and the last words have 4 and 3 letters respectively.
Man, this is a completely new dimension to the Kural. Who would have ever thought of looking at it like this?
We know that the Kural contains 133 chapters, and the numerical value of Tiruvalluvar itself is 133.
This is superb. Now I want to read the Tirukural for myself.
Now that is truly a miracle.
Rajiv, an idea just occurred to me. Can you come and give a guest lecture at our MBA class? Maybe you could base it on management concepts in the Tirukural.
That's a great idea, Hari.
Okay, I'm sure you all must have heard about cost-benefit analysis. Well, Tiruvalluvar in his Kural 478 says,
ஆகு ஆறு அளவு இட்டிது ஆயினும் கேடில்லை போகு ஆறு அகலா கடை.
which means if the revenues of a state are inadequate, then the king must curb expenditure. Inefficient planning, implementation of various resources, and administration. Problems in all these areas can cause a lack of economic development. That's what Tiruvalluvar said 2000 years ago. For optimum utilization of resources, he says this in his Kural number 677. The financial and physical resources available to you must be looked at by experts of the field. I mean, there's no need to reinvent the wheel when you already have expert advice available with you.
So does this ancient guy have any modern advice for the corruption in corporate affairs?
Oh yes, he does. Tiruvalluvar calls for an impartial recruitment, effective human resource management, accountability, transparency, mechanism for grievance redressal, and a clean image.
But he's a saint, right? So doesn't he tell everybody to renounce the world and sing praises of the Lord or whatever?
No. In fact, in chapter 101 in his Kural, he says that a person who hoards wealth and does not enjoy it or utilize it for the benefit of others is as good as dead, and his wealth is a waste.
Tiruvalluvar has spoken about so many subjects. There's politics, there's administration, there's poetry, there's prose. How do we categorize him? How does it all fit in?
The Tirukural gives us guidelines for individual persons, for groups, for communities, for corporate houses, for management institutes, for government officials, for political leaders.
On economic philosophy, as articulated 2000 years ago by Saint Tiruvalluvar, health, wealth, produce, the happiness that is the result, and security, these 5, the learned say, are the ornaments of a polity.
The Tirukural is not a scripture or an epic. I think Tiruvalluvar has delved deep into the foundations of human life and has given us an extraordinary treatise on the art of living. Well, here, I got this for you.
The Tirukural. Thank you. What's the...
You know, I thought that today, in this era of stress management and psychiatric counseling and modern mantras and new age gurus, I thought most people do need some form of guidance through their daily life. You see, the Kural has been a great source of inspiration to me and has made my life a lot richer. So I thought it can do the same for you guys too. I do understand that a lifetime is very short to understand the Kural completely, but one has to make a start somewhere. So,
Yeah.
கெடுப்பதும் கெட்டார்க்கு சார்வாய் மற்றாங்கே எடுப்பதும் எல்லாம் மழை
Destruction, it may sometimes pour, but only rain can life restore.
தன்னைத்தான் காக்கின் சினம் காக்க காவாக்கால் தன்னையே கொல்லும் சினம்.
Yourself to save, far from anger stay. If not, yourself will anger slay.
உடையன் எனப்படுவதுக்கம் அத்தில்லா உடையது உடையரோ மற்று.
To own is to own energy. All others own but lethargy.